Hey guys, in this video let's check out these cool pair of earphones from banggood.com. So these are the QKZ CK8 wire dual moving coil heavy bass stereo in-ear earphones with microphone. Now let's check out the product itself. So it comes in this case which looks quite cool, and then we have the earphones itself inside. Opening up the earphones, we get some extra ear tips and the clip, and then we have the earphone itself. You can see it looks too cool, it just looks so amazing. It has a very classy design and the wire also looks amazing. So this is protected up with a cap which can be opened, and this is a gold plated 3.5mm headphone jack. We also have a dedicated inline mic, so you can see it's written plus and minus, so you can increase or decrease your sound, and also you can take your calls with this button or play or pause your music. Now taking a closer look at these earphones, you can see they have a pretty funky design and they look quite cool and would really look nice on your ear. So here you can see it's written left and right, and it has dual moving coil drivers. So here you can see both of the coils are visible from here. So this is this product's feature page on banggood.com. So you can see it's written quality optimization of exclusive patent metal composite vibrating membrane. It's of 20 grams and it has dual unit 4 speakers, CK8 enthusiast class hi-fi headphones, and we get these in 4 colors. So we have the streamer gold color, then it offers high-res certified good sound, and then it has unilateral 2 moving coils and 4 nuclear power, 2 units independently vocalized powerful combination, high magnetic rubidium boron ferrosphere moving coil unit. And here you can see some of the other specifications are given here: 8mm and 10mm heavy bass speakers. So high and low speaker complement each other, and each has its own advantage. So it has a professional acoustic structural design, and the fitting is almost perfect. So I tried these earphones and they fit perfectly in my ear. So here it's written that 45-degree tilt in ear design. So you can use this earphone both way, in ear wearing or around the ear. So here it says it has got German Red Dot Award design. I tried this earphone for some time and feel that they offer really good bass, and the volume is also pretty good. And the fitting is almost perfect. They are pretty cheap, they just come at around $10 or something. So you should surely check these out. They also look quite funky when you're wearing in your ears. So guys, if you want to buy this product, I'll leave a link in the description from where you can go and buy it. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. We'll catch you guys soon in my next one. Till then, peace out.